Asante sana mwancho muligiria senge ncho kwenda gutigara se umurabiri woito wengambo ya siasa litwali leo niko tole na Walter Muunde kurwasi kiombe kemanyikanite nga jamii imara mashinani. Walter Muunde ni garu mumenyi kurwasi county ya Nyamira twabire tugukwanira kubatikana nemero uri menge yabireke kwendeke kwase chinsemo au ase county ya Nyamira kubatikana netaro yumara kwinsi to kinyamuske William Ruto gocha ase county ya Kisii na Nyamira kwikira bono iga Walter Muunde kuroto bete tugokora ugonchorera gwa siasa chinga kichiri cha 2022 tukanyoro mara yonde umuske William Ruto ine no isa nigete nabona chira chiria bete gakoria nabona magendera bereka gokoreka na sense ya Kenya wikira bono
Ngo kerigeri from a different perspective. Igongo takana track a manifesto. Na ligiringa, you know, a president na roseti manifesto korokunga the plan. The plan ye number one, ikan take tanga ni yarenge kurigeria. Ikan take korokunga the cost of living. No yortenga kiria ogosinga ibuarenge.
Ogosinga osentu bibi.
Ogosibuarenge igoro. A shilling yeah. A shilling it was doing badly.
Sure.
Yaring almost 200 shillings per dollar. Anyogo kurigeria that time again amangana fuel. You know, every time April barenge go kwana on Wednesday. Abande bari go gwatachinda. Yes, we had problems.
We had a big
but
crisis.
Our president has done a lot. The president yetu otemire amangana fertilizer yarenge 7,500 then uirani rimbaka 2,500 so that the cost of production as agriculture igere cheap to kokora production, and that means woniga that is why you have seen oversee EBA very, very stable for quite some time. Number two, a shilling is very stable at 129 shillings. In fact, I can tell you, there is no single economist which is out what inke president akorete kobeke shilling ya at 129 shillings. And again, the key atokonyera no na seri den because you know career 200 per dollar. Interest ye to work na irigo. But one year, out of stabilizing the shilling, to anyalire will save a lot of money. I can tell you that some time back, 2022, 2023, Kenya ego yarenga among 6 countries. Chire barenga gotabanga ngochi go default chire asogo haka na eloni yae. But the other 5 countries defaulted. Kenya did not default. Rero Kenya yakanira rideni riaye mpaka today. Yakanira rideni riaye ria 2027. Yakanira rideni riaye specifically on the Eurobond ria 2028. Tora ahead of schedule by 3 years. So to me, I look at that as progress. Then a president na kwane thenga na hata gete kurigeria mangana afya because NHIF ya what a problem. You know, wakanda nyagitari, you do not get service, you do not get this and that, and then chive sentiaring or ras NHIF. So kirenga kionyo kunyolete abante barengo mugomo chinyagitari private hospitals chiagoma, faith-based hospitals chiagoma. There are problems around healthcare. A president agatebanga nchirateyo omuntu ko twara 100,000 uno mushahara no muntu ko earn 5,000 bago bonse waka na shilingi 300 agachaka peke percentage so that if you earn more or you pay more boniga weterasesha na bokoenda or access services, you know, asengencho there is enough money abantu ngwaka no bareye bali bagwatsinya gitari na corruption ya rengororo ngona gosirere, you know, it is being dealt with. So SHA is actually working. That tente yanto ba mintonga mondo tate nenase agotebinga SHA is not working. Onya korosho monto obero mujumbe oseneche tami ibere obero mu waziri obero mu attorney general obero deputy president abantu ababoniga eserikali yeko bakanira SHA lakini abantu ano bahote negari igoro bagotebinga SHA is not working. So kerako koeresa igo aye oko igu kwagenda to gwakana kiroko na nyagitari you will not get service, you will need to pay. Era akogenda abwate kendo ikorunga SHA premium, you know, by virtue your position at in this country. So I'll be there ko what the yanto mintonga take advantage of this. Then torigeria mangana housing. It is one thing that the president akwanerete akatebanga this housing problem we have to deal with it. There are debates around it, especially Kisii na Nyamira. But I can tell you, really wole mo bweto Nyamira. Kiro weta yora igana ndege. okuligerera kisi na Nyamira wako minga tata ngakia mare mare rero kero gweta konyora umuntu gwata afaneka is a problem akwata neka is a problem so konyora umuntu gwata an eighth yogoremo lakini bado ubagira abo murabaye babere omuntu oyo nabako tebanga onyene boda boda akogenda ani akogendi tigangende geste igari ase boma yangu okoenda ase website ulikenga boma yangu o register otebenga nche igongonyora chibesa chirego 10,000 asomotienyi renyomba iyonda nyare gwakana 3,000 wakora savings chiago kiromotienyi kwa yewe nyomba chibesa chiriko kwa declare to gwakana 3,000 na chio gwakana for the next like 20-30 years kwa mara wakoraki kwa mara konyore nyomba. We have seen situations igagusi umuntu ahosira tuwachanga koramu agachire nyomba. This is true. That is what happens everywhere. Sure. Tuwachanga kumwagachire nyomba tuamara uchanga wakora matanga baka komoenia. So ekente kekie nyomba is something that we need to change. Then more than that, the president agatebanga, if you remember, shimiwa Raila Odinga the late. Natebetenga nategete ko abantu waito 6,000 shillings. But our president came and said, ntagete evijana 70 from every ward across the country by 50,000 shillings. Akareta chibesa chikorokunga nyota. In the first batch, wakaigu 25,000 shillings. Wakaigu 22, 3,000 was saving. Taribo, abantu banyorire chibesa. Wachaki biashara. And in the second batch, ngocha konyora vare chibesa. So to me, I see progress. Then the president said, tutakire kurigera yamangana yo wosaba chibesa amadeni. Because as a country, go twarenge go saba chibesa twakane mishahara. Twasaba chibesa twakana lideni. Twasaba chibesa twarwasie para. Twasaba chibesa to do anything. Yeah. The president said, ase chipara karate neni yake. Abantu mbalelete mwako mutangani no yokabire. Wakotebanga chipara chiatenenire ngotigire chi project chia uhuru. It wasn't so. The president was making a strategy yokobeka chibesa yamo. Asegente kaloncheti yekorokunga National Infrastructure Fund. Akagenda ariese NSSF. Akatebanga kiro muntu regardless chibesa oko an iko tuwarenge go save shilingi 300. I think it was 300 shillings. President said it is not proper that you pay 300 shillings as savings because kwa kanyoro muntu no mwarimu ole after akuritaya ochande kaka because one of the chibesa chinke. Now the president is saying save more. What does that help us? It means ntobuhate savings as a country chisaine tokorusi toboro tobeka se National Infrastructure Fund, then we get money pay back with interest so that aye unorio go save okoregasi kwacha kwanyoranga kero ko retire ngo twarorege ntokorokanga dignified retirement yani nga obogima bwago boli kware komenya ko regasi mbuli go change mono nobogima boli okomenya in retirement. After retirement. So National Infrastructure Fund bono nero yagelire togotwale railway. Nice. Egosha all the way to Malaba. Nero yagelire tokwaga cha chipara ngaiga gusi nero yagelire tokwaga cha Lironi Mausami Road. So nero yagelire in fact a debate around the airport is coming back. You know, Egetiki is one of the things that the president is looking at. I think debates in Chiarabete, siasa ngo affect yere amagenderero sana. Because debate in Chiarabete, Egetika kegende go senkiendege, Egetika kegendara, ibatomo area, now agreement has been reached. Egetika suneka kebe upgraded, and that is happening with immediate effect. More than that, a stadium yaito. Ngwaro Shabana Mbate betuwenga ngo irubare na different ground. Yes. So wono no togochiko amajeshi ngochare upgrade Egeti Gaito ya Gosi Stadium to better standards. Shabana ngonya rabare bus une president agocha so that tu arena barabu easy movement. You know kero bako enda mbago ikase baro sete asengencho yobali nete bus ko ba evirukunyo and all that. So I see good progress.
You see a lot of progress yoko necessary.
Yes, I see a lot of progress with government, honestly. Sure. I see good progress.
Coming down to SA County ya Nyamira.
Yeah.
What have you seen the change ever koncholi kwa serikali kurwa 2022 mpaka bono hiyo?
Kurwa say our president, I have seen development priorities kurwa se gochase county ya Nyamira. Number one, ngwa boliwe yanga governor na bole the president amo supporta se Keroka hospital.
Yes.
Keroka hospital is one of the best hospitals to go at Bonina. Surgery can be done.
Yes.
There, Ntogwata, a very good theater. The wall is done. Maternity at a very good class. And naroche abantu bago kwana, you know, testimonies kurwa sa abananchi bali bachiroro bago tabanga they are getting a good service.
So Guja is not Guja anymore. No.
That is a very good hospital, I can tell you.
Yes.
It has improved, it has been equipped, and we want to thank the president for doing that. Enamba ya Kabere, the president Ngochare, of course, a university, we've spoken about it. Then Ngochare Kurgeri institutes Chirutogwata Nyamira, Ntogwata Bunaga Ali Gitwebe, TTI, Ntogwata KMTC, Nyamira, Ekerobo Gietai is there. Then Ngochare Agache hostels, Igari Nyamira, Arikerobo Gietai, and Manga. Agache hostels, so that institutions kachigo come up kwanyoranga students in Bagwate Esebagoso. And this is also a way of creating employment, you know, for our young people around. More than that, Chipara Chirechigo Chikoba launched in every constituency, in Nyamira and Kisii. Then Ntobwate Chichiro, Bune Chiro ya Nyansiongo, Echiro ya Ikonge, Echiro ya Kerenyo, Echiro ya Kemera. That is for Nyamira, Ngochiko Kobachire launched. In fact, a number of them, Bune ya Nyansiongo, is almost done. So, Abantonogos Kwakurugali Para, I think you know, Kijauri ya Tuadire Chi accident sana. So, our people need a good market. So, I see a lot of good progress among an estima. You know, Nyamira, by the way, we have made a very good progress na Kisii. Then we have also received a good number of employment in terms of teachers for Kisii and Nyamira. We are almost achieving a ratio area takire ya abalimu na wanafunzi. So there is quite some good progress coming around as a county.
Ekaro togos kobosio mwancho murigelia niko tole na Walter Muunde kurwa sekyo mbekemanya ngitinga jamii imara mashinani ase engambo ya Voice of Victory. Niko twande toko kwanira kubatikana na mangana manke niko Walter Muunde akotomanyanga aso gotoka okumeje serikali wasasa okubwazera na ne serikali yo Musike William Ruto nigemerobere au na bwego chira chabete chikolibwa engakiye chitaro gotega asorongorwa gusi asenchira ya mago senchire ndi chabere chigwekiranirwa gose chigenderete gwekiranirwa imeje county ito ya Kisii na Nyamira aso bwankomono umuntu nabaragori county ito ya Kisii na Nyamira ne county bere tinke ase county chinde emerongene na isano na ibere chigotoka ase county asense ito ya Kenya. Ingige kugore president ito Musike William Ruto ako prioritize mosemono ako chorero gotaro region ya Gusii asemo asege kamono.
You know, Gusii talk about written off asense. I can tell you, we are into na abaikoyo into to lead in terms of business. We cannot be written off. We are hard-working people. Kerokolgelinga eserikali ya mwete koreta central bank is because of the kind of business that we do and the money that we circulate. So we are a hard-working community. So you cannot. Na inde we are aggressive people. So ngoja aratore ko egamba.
Ekero to goskobosio bono epreze ase yorogongoro rweto rwa Gusii Kisii na Nyamira. Ekero to gento goskobosio bono iga is almost electioneering period na siasa nigo ebwatete inse ase chinsemo au. Musike Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigale bosio asokorigia ekero gokyobo president obereka gokwane kanga na chabe gakorigia ekero gekyo. Musike CJ David Maraga nere no ale aseke minane kyo gwikira bono iga agoteba nere nabe gakorigia ekero gekyo kyobo president na gwikira bono iga twabere tokoro Musike William Ruto gakoena na ubiye ubonke bw'ichi project goita ase region chichitu cha Kisii na Nyamira. Je ugotoko okwechi presidential candidate echi okagerete ngobe kugwa affect omoyo bugotoko okwechi project echi osogotoko kwa magenderero ayagenete ko witnessed ase chinsemechi.
I don't think so. I don't think kendenge saligete ase Mheshimiwa Matiang'i, Mheshimiwa Maraga korigiogo president. Nto machitigo twara no oyo gatato morara. Kagotoka ase wali bakorigiogo president wense. Utetia kego. Maybe he may decide again to come back and maybe we may have more. I can tell you, it's a democratic right for any citizen of this country who are qualified korigia ora wense ya Kenya. And as Gusii, it helps us. It helps us. Keromo Gwate presidential candidate, ngo bakonyere mwakwanika iga remote mwatwaro mumbro inonere ogutura kerama nganabeire. So it is okay when we have two of our sons speaking, but ngere go affect development priorities chair President William Ruto, because President is engaging the people directly, is engaging through Avarai, is engaging through n'abantu bagokwana ngo bategererare na inde obaretera amagendero as they want. I want to wish our sons the best bunaba kogendera mutwe siasa na berego asam siasa tebu ati gosani na enemies na bokonyora mambiende omuskoyo ito Fred Matiang'i ogwatero ko no mheshimiwa William Ruto. Because when politics has no siasa ya opposition no nyane kerokoligerie etaro watu walite eastern na central na bokoligerie nga as opposition yeye encheranere our son Fred Matiang'i abete aged out a little bit. It tells you that he has to find either new friends or say find a new formula of working. So when I look at it that way, you can't rule out. Fred Matiang'i could be even working na William Ruto at some point. So what I want is that we be in government. Eventually, to a mistake, you go outside government. And I can tell you this, into to support abantu bande as opposition. Lakini kero bakanyora libagalio so serikali. To have aged out. Sure. To have aged out. So this time ntoganya bangwe. Tutangane serikali. Tutangane serikali.
Asegenya na tobago te either you're on the table eating,
yes,
or you are the one being eaten.
Oh, now you're the being eaten. Yes. So around here, we got into the water moyo. Kabako nacha na into manyenga nkitokwe na chirko.
Nice. Mwacho mulio ligo tolo na Walter Muunde. Na so bwango moneka rangoranga chinsa niko chigoto nyora. Kirisingo tukonye kwa kwana Walter Muunde kurwasi kiomegea jamii imara mashinani. Aso bwango kabisa. Jamii imara mashinani. What is it and what do you stand for?
Jamii imara mashinani neke ombekere yakoreta amo abo bisawa korega siasa serikali. Ase cadres, chair directors, CEOs, kogenda PSS, CSS, bacha amo kwana no mwananchi. Eke ombekengi achitega iga. Yachitega iga busongo, tokakora media engagement, iga busongo, tokagenda agari kiendege, iga kamera, tokakora another engagement na abananchi ororo, tokagenda kibirigo, tokatwara big engagement na abantu almost 3,000. Basically, enchera tokorega si to jamii imara mashinani, abantu ayo bagocha bekana sagabo. Aye umwananchi ogwateli swali, ogwatebanga igonaru ekenyoro gia bondeni, ose igonaru nyamwetureko nimbwata nyamwetureko dispensary. Nyamwetureko dispensary sha ateri gokora, ngietari gokorera.
Kwa wa machiu.
APS ya watali kondo ya gotebia. Kwa bolinga nimbwata omuchando asense mo education. Nimbwata omuchanda se chai. Kwa nyoranga omondo KTDA no aregabo a director. Nyoko bwata omuchando in any department. In fact, etuachete na 70 directors from different institutions. Bakabori wa maswali gali kogenda abantu bakabori wa maswali bakairanirwa. From that, in fact, nabo government ya tegerete une epara ekuru bondeni gochima gombo. Abantu baye kwanete sana. Kero tuachete gotwara ni egeikare ya jamii imara mashinani. Abantu bakakwana na inde epare ye kaba advertised mbaka I think etende kwa ewa so that chaka kwa lami plus many other things that abantu bakwanete the government took note. President yaito whatever igatagete ko engage abantu directly. Abantu bamutebi bamurusia magoso bamuteye saha korabia na ria konyara go deliver and otebi ria bo sabayenga tinta gitumwekana sechovisi soka engage the people so that is a platform where ina jamii imara mashinani ebwate egote biga abo bisaba nagenda saba abantu bale bategerere egere bamanyenga what is it that abantu batagete.
Basically it is a platform more kwena na yogokora successive public participation.
Exactly. That is what we do to atali the 11 counties so far. Boniga etokwenda the 12th county ekoroku Kitui no tokare next week.
Asante.
Yeah.
Mwancho muligani niko tuwabere na Walter Muunde kurwase kiombe kiyo na kumanyiri vya jamii imara mashinani. twabire tugukwanira kubatikana no kugania gwitu kuna munyagitinge ekero bono marabitse tyo kinyuma siwile muruto arabire guchikutara chingongo chetu cha gusi weekend yeye nabo igo ogya twabire tugutwara sichinsemechi kolengana na Walter Muunde igo no byo bonke bwabire kutoka se county ya Nyamira nabo igo chira chinjinge chabete chikolie gwanero musike wile muruto ko ikiranirwa asensemenyemo kuika ase ensemo yende ekero tugukura umurobiri gwiri tkolia lero Walter Muunde semyango muligere bwegiteseni kyo Minto TV aseta ekeyo moto ko umurobiri tkolia lero.
Mbia mono sana Wilson asengencho yogo ntwara gaiga asengambo ya siasa Voice of Victory TV omwancho muligereria mbia mono sana asengencho nayo kobera naintwe ase gotegerera na maybe gotoma ujumbe yago egere tomanyenga ninki abananchi bategererete asokobeka ase Kiswahili nataka nishukuru sana hawa jamii imara mashinani sababu hii timu yetu ya jamii imara mashinani ambayo tunaongozwa na PS Mary Mdhoni wamefanya kitu ambacho hakijafanyika katika nchi yetu ya Kenya. Mahali ambapo tunakuja hapa tunakaa hapo Kibirigo, mtu anauliza PS swali, anauliza director, anauliza chair, anauliza CEO, anauliza mambo ya maji, mambo ya SHA, mambo ya chai, mambo ya barabara na anapewa jibu hapo kwa hapo. Yeye mwenyewe kama mwananchi anaeleza, anasema ni anataka mambo ya maendeleo ifanywe namna gani. Sisi tunashukuru rais wetu William Ruto kwa kutupatia hawa viongozi ambao wametengeneza hii jamii imara mashinani, na kwa kuja Nyamira tunawakaribisha tena wakuje, na bwana rais tunakukaribisha Kisii. Umeona yale ambayo tumejaribu kuongea kuhusu maendeleo ya Nyamira na Kisii. Tunaomba uje ili utusaidie, tushirikiane pamoja tuweze kuleta maendeleo kwa watu wetu wa Nyamira. Mwisho kabisa, wale ambao bado kuchukua kura, enda chukua kadi yako ili uitumie kutengeneza an informed decision. Mimi vile nimeeleza yale ambayo serikali imefanya, I have been convinced that I can take my voters card na nipigie huyu muungwana William Ruto kura tena. Asante sana.
Huyo anaitwa Walter Muunde igakorokora sekyo mbegia jamii imara mashinani. Twabirenera sengambo ya siasa aseli tikolia lero litikolia Aramisi. Twabire tugukwanira kubatikana na mangana manke na boigo ukwirobire twabire tukubeka ukuganya gwaito na boigo ugwaka na nyambu yamono asemiro yabreke gwikanirwa ase chinseme chimo ose chinsemo chinde ase county to ya Kisii ne county ya Nyamira na manke twabire tugotika isikokorende asengenjo yebiro nimbe ginkomurigia Walter Muunde chingaki chinde twabire tugukwanira kubatikana na mangana manke twabire tugotika isiko unaintwe mwanya kitinga. Asante sana asiko tugwata chinsemo cheto cha online platforms Facebook Amazing Voice of Victory TV, YouTube uko like na ku subscribe uko watch mono ase Amazing Voice of Victory TV digital. Wika chinga kichinde ili Italia de Botambe Wilson Omonge. Asante sana Walter.
Mbia wana sana. Mbia wana Wilson.